Well, when we say showroom clean, we're showroom clean. I'm just saying. Let's see what the inside look like. Something special? Something special. Nice. Nice. So you gotta hit them with the pictures, Rodney. And you post them later on. This is part of the history to the car that you're working on. So here we are down at Classic Industry on our trip back to Mexico. And also pick up some Mustang parts. I was able to get me a fresh hood because my other hood was dented. A fresh front and back valence because I'm adding some different stuff and the other ones were dented. And Rodney needed some parts for his Impala. And so here we go. We were going down to pick up the blue Impala, but the footage got lost. The car was given back to us unsatisfactorily, so we didn't take it, we left it. And at this point, I get in the Mustang and I'm going back home. The hell with that. I'm not messing with Nicholas, I'm mad. I'm not gonna give you my car, and I didn't like the way we were talked to. So I said, F you, I'm out.
Alrighty.
Yeah. Alright. Man, where we at, man? We stuck at the border.
Man, we stuck at the border, man.
Man, we got a mechanical fuel pump.
Going out, it's leaking gas, as you can see from the fuel pump.
So, we're gonna have to get on some MacGyver shit, y'all. Stay tuned. I got a workaround that I'm finna get down with. So, we're gonna resume filming back in a second, but I'm gonna tell you the fix is gonna be. Luckily, I did not take away the electric fuel pump that's underneath the car. So, actually, I ain't gotta do that. Look at this.
Yeah, you plug in right there.
Yeah, I can plug in right there.
Mm-hmm.
Pull this to here. Get that over there. And we're gonna reconnect the fuel pump in the trunk of the car. Where the flat at? Oh, that's a Phillips. Where the flat at?
You think you put it back?
Okay, yeah. And so we're gonna, because right now, we've been sitting in this traffic and we thought it was an overheating scenario, but more and more we sat there, we started noticing we losing pressure.
Fuel
Pressure, that is. So, like I said, we have a redundant backup system in place that's still here. So we're gonna bypass the fuel pump. The reason why I turned it off when I first got the car is it was making too much goddamn noise. So I was just like, I'm not feeling that. All the noise that is. Because, you know, I'm thinking about music and not why it's really there. So, there. Okay, here. Put that there. Like I said before, it was already hooked into wires right here. It was. Okay. You can stop for a second.
So we done made it to the back of the car. We rewiring the hot for the fuel pump.
That my people over at Find the Flip 'em had this originally running off of electric fuel pump, which I decided to delete it. So there must have been a reason why it was running off electric fuel pump. Maybe it didn't get enough pressure to keep it functioning. So
Stuck in the line at the border.
we in a foreign country.
Foreign country, fixing a car. But we gonna make it happen. Best believe.
Because that's what I do. I'm going in, y'all. I'm going in.
You got the two black MacGyvers right here.
Okay. Let me see. Out. And let me see. Hey, Rodney.
Yes, sir.
Look under the front of the car. That clamp should be on the ground. And I'm gonna need the socket that goes to that.
Okay.
Guess what? We back on. Thanks to my trusty man over there. One click. We back in line again, y'all. This bitch is back on.
That bitch is loud, huh?
That's why I unhooked it, because it was too goddamn loud to me. But see all that noise?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You just want to let me in? Huh? Huh?
Venías en línea, venías en la línea.
No Spanish.
¿De dónde vienes? De línea.
No, I fixed the car.
¿No venías en line?
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
in line.
we was in line, but the car broke.
The car broke. We just fixed it. Thank you.
Like she didn't see us sit. We good, no leaks. No, it's the clutch pad, it's not spinning fast enough.
What's up? What's up? Looking good, my friend. Looking good.
Shake the spoiler.
Why couldn't you do that to this car the first time? Nice and clean. Look at this one. Yeah, I see. I like.
Then I just see it right here.
Yeah.
Oh, that white car.
He got the key. He got the keys for you.
That's a little better.
Yeah, it's much better than before.
Yeah, much better.
It's wetter.
Looks pretty today.
They do the dashboard over inside. Yep. you gonna
Kids wobbling.
that's it. So you gonna trust it or you not?
Huh?
You gonna trust it or you not? The water pump finna go out, player. The water
Does
pump.
look like the water pump
Yeah,
going out.
that's the water pump. It's ran hot on when you drove this car before?
No.
Okay, but you're gonna have to put another water pump. Somebody is. That's the water pump. If you can do like that, that's a water pump.
Yeah.
Twist it, go.
You know, drive it over another one.
Yeah.
How do I say that?